Good morning, student. In previous video, we have completed some question from practice set 2.6. In this video, I am going to explain question number 4 and question number 7. You have to see in your textbook question number 4. Now, what is the question? Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. This means relation between the age of Vivek and the Kishore is given, isn't it? The sum of multiplicative inverse of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. In this question, we understand we have to find out the age of Vivek and the Kishore. For that, here I consider or take, let the present age of the Kishore be x year. Kishore का age हमने x year consider किया. And what is given that Vivek is 5 years older than Kishore. Therefore, the present age of the Vivek is what? X plus 5 years. Kishore age is x year and Vivek age is x plus 5 years because Vivek is 5 years older than the Kishore. Now, what is the condition given in this question? The sum of, this means addition, the multiplicative inverse of their ages. Multiplicative inverse means their reciprocal. Therefore, here I write from given condition. What is the reciprocal of x? That is 1 upon x. Sum means addition we have to do. Reciprocal of age of Vivek, that is 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. According to this condition, here we put the equation. Now here we have to solve the equation. Now we do the cross multiplication. First we do multiplication of x into x plus 5. In cross multiplication, 1 into x plus 5, that is x plus 5. 1 into x, that is x is equal to 1 upon 6. Now in numerator, x plus x, that is 2x plus 5 is remaining. Here x into x, x square, 5 into x, that is 5x is equal to 1 upon 6. Then we do cross multiplication. In cross multiplication, there is multiplication of 2x plus 5 with 6. Then 6 2s are 12, 12x, 6 5s are 30 is equal to 1 into multiplication of this, that is x square plus 5x. Now we transfer this term to the another side, then x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now here two like terms are there, x square, then subtraction of this 5 minus 12, that is minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Here we get one quadratic equation. Now we solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. Here coefficient of x square, that is 1, and last term, that is minus 30. Their multiplication is minus 30. A into C. Then its factor is minus 10 plus 3. Okay, their product is minus 30 and their subtraction is minus 7. That is the coefficient of middle term. This means these two are the correct factors for this quadratic equation. Now, in next step, we split up the middle term minus 7x as a factor minus 10 plus 3. X square minus 7x, here we write minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 as it is equal to 0. Now here we do the grouping of these two terms. In that x is common, then what is remaining in the bracket? X minus 10 plus from this two term 3 is common, then in bracket x minus 10 is remaining is equal to 0. Then in first bracket x minus 10, in second bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the multiplication of these two bracket is equal to 0. Therefore here I write x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 10 or x is equal to minus 3. Here we get the value of x, that is 10 and minus 3. But x is related to the ages and age cannot be negative. Therefore here I write one sentence, but age cannot be negative. Therefore which value is acceptable? Only x is equal to 10. X is equal to minus 3 is not acceptable. Therefore x is equal to 10 years and x plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5, that is 15 years. That is the age of the Vivek. Therefore our answer is the present age of Kishore and Vivek are 10 years and 15 years respectively. This means the age of Kishore is 10 years and Vivek is 15 years. I hope student you understand this question. Okay, now we see the next question, question number 7. This is very important question. Now what is the question? Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream and back in 8 hours. Okay. If the speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour, find the speed of water current. Okay. Now there is the relation between the speed of the boat and the speed of water current. That we have to in that we have to find out the condition. Okay. Now in this question you have to find out the speed of water current. For that we take the variable, isn't it? Now let the speed of boat in still water be 12 km per hour. It is already given speed of the boat. This is the boat in water and its speed is 12 km per hour. Okay. Now we have to find out the speed of water current. Okay, for that here we consider x kilometer per hour. Okay, let the speed of water current be x kilometer per hour. And here the speed of water current is less than the speed of the boat. Therefore, I write here x is less than 12. Now, what is the condition is given? Pratik travels by boat 36 km downstream in 8 hours. Downstream means what? With the speed of the stream, isn't it? Therefore, speed of the boat downstream. तो बोट का स्पीड क्या होगा डाउनस्ट्रीम में विद द स्ट्रीम देयर वी हैव टू ऐड द स्पीड ऑफ वाटर करंट और द वाटर स्ट्रीम ओके therefore speed of the boat in downstream is equal to what 12 that is the speed of the boat plus x that is the speed of the water current 12 plus x kilometer per hour okay now what is second then in upstream speed of the boat in upstream means what against the stream of the water or the current of the water in that the speed of the boat will decrease therefore here we have to subtract 12 minus x that is the speed of water current we have to subtract from the speed of the boat therefore speed of the boat in upstream is 12 minus x kilometer per hour we know the formula for the speed is equal to what? Speed is equal to what? Distance upon time. Okay. Therefore, time is equal to what? Time is equal to what? Distance upon speed. Okay. Now, in this question, it is given that the Pratik travels by the boat 36 km downstream. 36 km downstream. Then time taken is equal to a distance upon speed. How many distance? 36 km. In downstream speed of the boat is what? 12 plus x. Therefore, time taken by the boat in downstream is what? 36 upon 12 plus x. Okay. Then speed of the boat or time taken by the boat in upstream is equal to what? Again distance upon speed. Distance, same distance there is there, 36. In upstream, the speed of the boat is what? 12 minus x, here we write. And total time taken by the Pratik to travel that 36 km in 8 hours downstream and upstream, it is equal to what? 8 it is given. Therefore, this is equal to 8, time taken by the boat, isn't it? Therefore, here we put one equation according to condition 36 upon 12 plus x, time taken by the boat in downstream. This is the time taken by the boat in upstream. Total time taken to travel the distance is equal to what? 8 hours. Okay. Now we solve this equation. First we do the multiplication of denominator 12x and 12 minus x. Cross multiplication 36 in bracket 12 minus x plus 36 into 12 plus x is equal to 8 as it is. Now in numerator these two terms are there. Okay. In that 36 is common, here I take 36. Now what is remaining in the bracket, that is 12 minus x and 12 plus x is equal to, in cross multiplication we transfer this denominator term here. Therefore 8 into 12 plus x and 12 minus x. Okay, now here we do calculation. Now in bracket there is minus x and the plus x we will cut. Okay, what is remaining? 36, 12 plus 12, that is 24, is equal to 8. Now here 12 plus x and 12 minus x. Remember the identity, that is a square minus b square. In first bracket we write a plus b, in another bracket we write a minus b. Okay, therefore according to this identity we can write a square, that is 12 square means 144, minus x square, here we get x square. Therefore 36 into 24, here I transfer 8, it will come in denominator, is equal to 144 minus x square. Then okay, now here calculation, 36 into 8 ones are and 8 threes are there. Therefore what is remaining? 36 into 3 is equal to 144 minus x square. Therefore x square is equal to 144, here we transfer the x square, become positive x square, is equal to 144 as it is, multiplication of 36 into 3, that is 108. 144 minus 108. Here we get x square is equal to 36. Therefore x is equal to plus minus square root 36 is equal to, therefore x is equal to plus minus 6. Therefore value of x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 6. Here we get the two roots of the quadratic equation, x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 6. But x is related to the speed of the, it is related to the speed. Therefore speed cannot be negative. Therefore x is equal to minus 6 is not acceptable. Then what is the value of x? Here we have to take x is equal to 6. Therefore speed of the boat. Now what is x here we consider? Here we consider x is the speed of water current, that we have to find. Therefore the speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Do you understand this question, student? Now from what we start here? Speed of the water current, speed of the boat in still water, it is given 12 km per hour. Here we consider the speed of water current, that is x km per hour. डाउनस्ट्रीम में एडिशन करना है, अपस्ट्रीम में सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Okay, speed of water current. Then condition is given. Remember this formula, time is equal to distance upon speed. Isn't it? Because total time taken by the boat to travel that distance, it is given 8 hours. Okay, therefore time taken by boat to travel the distance of 36 km downstream, that is distance 36 km upon speed of the boat in downstream. Here same distance 36 km, but it is upstream, that is 12 minus x is equal to 8. Here we solve the equation, we get the value of x, and what is x here? That is the speed of water current. Okay, so I hope student you understand this question. Now note down your homework from practice set 2.6, question number 6, question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. You will try this question. If you are finding difficulty, we will discuss later on that questions. Okay, thank you for listening me. Thank you very much, student.